someone help me? 你能听得见吗？听得见吗？啊 ，OK. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we are testing 1.5 meter wide 2 layers air bubble film machine. So the testing is already begun. So here is the machine here. Basically, this is one single screw design, 1.5 meter wide, 2-layer air bubble film machine. So let's take a look of the whole machine. So please follow me. Yeah. So from here you can see this is our single screw design air bubble film, 2 layers. This one from here is our extrusion part. This one is automatic feeder, and also here is the single screw design, and also here is the T 带，你能看见吗？我的手机T 带 here, and also this part is the automatic feeder changer, and here is the 2-layer air bubble film producing on the foaming roller. So you can see the bubble film our machine produced is very thin and very evenly distributed here. So because all the T die and the screw we manufactured by ourselves in another workshop. And here you can see after foaming, so this is the cooling water pipe. There's water in the bubble film foaming roller, so to cool the bubble film produced. And then after cooling, the bubble film just fixed, so it will coming out and come here. Here has 2 stretch rollers to stretch the film to keep the tension, prepare for the rewinding process. And here we have the stretch here to prepare for the rewinding. And here you can see this is the auto rewinding manual without the auto cutting. So we have 2 different types of rewinding systems. One is automatic rewinding system and with cutting, and this one is only auto rewinding without cutting. So basically you can choose what kind of rewinding system you want to order based on your own requirements, your own needs. For example, if your local labor is not very, the cost is not very high, you can choose this kind of rewinding system. And also, if the machine width is not very, it's within 2 meters, you can choose the 1.5 the auto rewinding without cutting. You can manually cutting the finished row by yourself. But if you want to order machine more than 2 meters wide, you can choose the automatic cutter with the rewinder together with the rewinder, and then you can to change the rewind the row. And here you can see that the box is the control system for controlling the rewinding system. So basically, once it reaches the length you set, the alarm will rise to let the worker know that the row is reached certain meters you set. For example, 100 meters long per row, and the worker will know it reached 100. 哦，是吧？没问题啊。哦，我知道是。那你把它倒过来吧，好吧？你把它正过来。现在好了吗？现在有没有 OK？
等一下可以有。
哦 ，OK。So sorry everyone. So we adjust the screen. So right now I will reintroduce the machine again. So today we are showing a 1.5 meter wide 2-layer air bubble film machine here. You can see here the machine is under testing. So before shipping, we will test every machine to see whether it can produce the qualified air bubble film and whether the machine can reliable and stable produce film. So basically, we will make sure after the customer confirm the machine is okay, confirm everything, we will ship the machine to the customer. So today we are testing 1.5 meter wide 2-layer air bubble film machine for one customer, to check whether everything is okay. So basically, let me take a look again to show the whole parts of every parts of the air bubble film machine. So follow me, please. So from here you can see this is the extrusion system of the machine, main extruder. So this machine is a single screw design and 1.5 meter wide 2-layer air bubble film machine. This is the extrusion part from the automatic feeder, the hopper, and the screw here. And this is the electric box, so with inverters inside, with all the temperature control, with control system, control panels here. So and here we have the single screw design. So and also here is the filter changer. Filter changer is very important, especially when you want to use recycled material, because there may have dust in the material for recycled material. And the filter changer, you need to change more frequently if you use recycled material. And also here is the T-die. T-die here to extrude the film. And for just the position of the T-die is right straight above the forming roller here. So the position we will let you know once you order the machine, how to put each part at the right position to produce 2-layer air bubble film. You can see here the air bubble film produced right now is very thin and very evenly distributed. So our advantage is the T-die and the T-die, the roller, the T-parts we manufacture in our own workshops in Shanghai, right? So which means you can the quality of the air bubble film produced is much better compared to others. For example, at the same thickness, at the same GSM, our bubble film has much more strength compared to others, which means the bubble film has much more protective effects compared to others, which is our customers want, right? And here you can see is the water pipe to put the water inside the forming roller to cool the air bubble film produced. So basically, so after it produced, it will immediately cooling down on the roller here to fix the shape, to fix its shape. So you can see here the air bubble film produced here, and we have two stretching rollers here to keep the air bubble film have enough tension to prepare for the rewinding. And here you can see it's our automatic rewinding system. So because we currently have two different types of rewinding machines, rewinding systems. One is like this, is only automatic cutting. Automatic rewinding, sorry. And the other one is automatic cutting and rewinding system. So this one, it automatically rewinding finish the air bubble film, but you still need a worker to cut it manually once it reach preset length. For example, you want a roll to be 100 meters per row. Once the rollers reach the 100 meters, there need one worker to come here to manually cut the roll, and then press the button, and then the second roller will start it rewinding manually. Still, the worker needs to start the second roll rewinding manually to start the second roll rewinding. But if you have the automatic cutting and rewinder, then the worker doesn't need to cut the roll. Once it reaches preset length, it will automatically cutting, and the second row will automatically start rewinding. So basically, this one is you can choose according to your own requirements. For example, if you want the machine is within 2 meters, I mean the machine width. If the machine width is within 2 meters, you can choose use labor to cut the roll by the worker. If the machine is more than 2 meters wide, then actually we suggest to use automatic cutting and rewinding, which will make the worker more easier to rewinding the rolls. And also, it depends on your local labor cost. If the labor cost is relatively high in certain area, then you need to. I would suggest to use the automatic cutting and rewinding. But if you're in a country that the labor cost is not that high, you can choose the manual cutting but the automatic rewinding system. So basically, our machine is highly customized. It's highly customized. Basically, you can customize the machine according to your own requirements, such as the machine width and the screw size, the capacity, your requirements. You can choose according to your requirements. So basically, you can see here this 1.5 meter is relatively a small 2-layer air bubble fill machine, which is very suitable for beginners. For such as we have many beginner customers who are beginners. We just sold several to Philippines, to different countries that they are beginners. So such kind of machine is very suitable for beginners because it's very easy, very reliable production, and very easy to operate. Basically, one worker is enough to take care of the whole machine. And also, you can get the investment back very fast with a relatively small machine. So basically, and I forgot to mention one thing is the filter changer. When you use recycled material, it's very easy, very important to have this filter changer because it will help you to change the filter, especially when you use recycled material. You need to change the filter more frequently compared to using new material. Then we need to use the automatic filter changer, which will help a lot it's very easier to change the filter. And also be careful when you change the filter, make sure that the machine is hot. The machine temperature is not going down. When it's hot, it's ready. The machine is ready to change the filter. But when the machine is cool, you cannot change the filter. Otherwise, you will break the machine. So basically, this is everything about this machine. And let's take a round of the workshop. So we recently get some orders from other customers. So please follow me here. Yeah. So. And here you can see it's one of our 2 meter wide 3 layers air bubble fill machine. This machine looks is bigger than that one, right? So this one is a double screw design for the main extruder, and the sub extruder is here. So totally 3 screws. So this one is three layers, 2 meters wide, 3-layer air bubble fill machine. And that one is double screw, 2 meter wide, 2-layer air bubble fill machine. And over there is a platform air bubble fill machine. And over there is I don't know. It just started the manufacturing process. So we're in a busy season right now. We received different orders from different countries all over the world. So here you can see all our schedules, the blackboard, the whiteboard here. So every morning, the production manager will stand here. Will everyone stand here? Well, they will discuss what's the orders we should finish today, and they will discuss their job schedules here, basically. So yeah, this is some general information about our workshop. So let's take a look at the material here. Yeah, so basically with the automatic feeder, the worker doesn't need to climb on it feed the material. You only put the material tank here, or if you want to use recycled material, basically here will be a mixture. So basically the pipe will into the material. So this is the material of LDPE. We mix it with some LLDPE. So for beginner, we suggest the ratio of LDPE and LLDPE of 1 to 1. So the ratio is 1 to 1. So basically here is the material we're using right now. Talking about the material, basically you need to make sure the MFI for the material is the range is from 2 to 2.5, and producing for film purpose. Basically, the material you can use to produce air bubble film. So basically, here is the testing. The machine is producing very reliably right now. So yeah, everything is very reliable, stable. So you can take a look at the film here. So the bubble is very strong. The air inside is very enough. Yeah. So the film has much more strength compared to others, and you can see the whole surface here. The film is distributed very evenly. So it's very beautiful film. So this is one of our advantages, that we help a lot of customers to sell online, to become suppliers to very famous companies like IKEA, like Japan Daiso, etc. So basically, So and also here is the rewinding control system. You can see here, it's very easy to control the roll. So basically, here is everything we show today. Once it reaches the certain meters, the alarm will rise. So basically, you can rewind the roll. 我们试一下，我们收一下卷。at the last we will 我们试就割一下这个卷，收一下。对。就是 we will show you with automatic rewinder, not the automatic cutter and rewinder, how we change the rolls. We will change the roll like this. So basically, you first start the second roll with a bar, and then the worker manually cuts the finished roll, and then to pull out the bar first. To pull out the bar first. And then leave some space, right? Leave some space, and then pull out the finished roll, and then you can tape it, right? Then one row is finished, and the second row is already started. So basically, here is everything, and thank you for your time, thank you for watching us, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.